about the accusation people put or doctor faces in his day-to-day life. Like one, doctors do not give patient hearing. Second, if a tree doctor looking to a patient, not in a hospital like journal, if a person changes from clinic to clinic, they do not check each other's patient prescriptions. And third, doctors prescribe too many lab tests. So what you want to say about it?
First question, that the patient put a lot of accusations on the doctors. You know, I think that's true. Patient do put. But let me tell you one, you can call a mantra for the others, and I'm sure many other doctor must be doing this. But there is one method. You adopt the patient. If the patient is of your father's age, consider that patient father. Mother says mother, brother says brother. In real sense, no, that should come from inside. It should not be saying it that you are just like my brother or this. No. The patient, they can make the judgment, or the attendant make the judgment what is coming from. And if you really adopt them, I'm telling you, there is rare accusation. It just does not happen. You know, how hard you work, if you adopt the patient and the patient is serious, and when you work hard, they accept the outcome. I'm dealing with high risk cases every single day. My patient is sick. That means I'm sick. I will be calling my CCU every 10 minutes like crazy, you know, because I want that there should be a continuous care, even though it is a continuous care. But I'm over worried because I have adopted that patient. I mean, that's the way I am. So there is no question of accusation. And when we talk about what is the problem in India now, the instigating, the people or the doctors, they instigate the patients, you know, no, आपके साथ तो जो हुआ है. And even then, after the instigation, they get into it and find out, you know. So it's something I always tell my colleagues, my juniors, that in medical field, you are born and then becoming the doctors to really treat the sick people, taking their own relatives. I think it gives you a lot of energy, a lot of satisfaction, and there is no acquisitions or hardly any. हमारे कंट्री में एक लंबी लिस्ट दवाइयों की लिखनी बहुत ज़्यादा कॉमन है. एंड मेरे पास, I was in America 18 years, and that habit, now I have been in India for quite a while, and that habit doesn't change. So मेरे पास पेशेंट आते हैं, 12 मेडिसिन लिखी होती हैं, मैं काट कर 2 कर देता हूँ. But then I have to explain them again and again, you know. तब जाकर उनको थोड़ी सी चैन आती है कि यस, जो मेडिसिन्स हैं ज़्यादा लिखी जाती. क्यों डॉक्टर ज़्यादा लिखते हैं इसके बारे में हम कह नहीं सकते, बिकॉज इट इज़ देयर क्लिनिकल जजमेंट. बट आई फील दैट ए डॉक्टर should write a medicine considering side effect of each medicine and the necessity of each medicine and the cost of each medicine. What really eventually it will do for the patient.
So like getting medical facilities is everyone's right, but what do you what do you like to say, or how you will highlight about the rural areas and medical facilities? is there those areas are still neglected? What is your prescription of ensuring availability of doctors in those areas?
Well, that's a big challenge. Many governments came, they try to do their best, but it becomes really theoretical. The villages are without medical care because the people sitting who makes the rules and regulations don't have much time. And that's the fact. I belong to rural area, hardcore rural area, in the sense I did my high school in the village where there was no electricity. And I lost my father in the village because of non-availability of the medical care when he was in his 40s. I know a lot, and when I was made Board of Governors, Medical Council of India, I was a Board of Governors member for 2 years. I worked very hard, and one of the reasons I joined Medical Council was for the rural health care. I developed 3-point formula. I presented PowerPoint to the union ministers, to everybody. And even today, अगर वो हमारा 3-point formula follow किया जाए, I am sure the rural health care will certainly improve. But time किसके पास है? ये चीज़ है. हम सुना करते थे, लेकिन मैंने प्रैक्टिकल फेस किया. We were policy makers, and I am presenting that we should make this kind of policy. So I think in the beginning I said कि हमारा जो मेडिकल एजुकेशन सिस्टम है एंड द ट्रेनिंग सिस्टम, वो चेंज करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, लेकिन बहुत मुश्किल है.